All right, guys. Today I'm doing stuff with Dylan. I'm gonna be doing something a little different. Normally I do trannies. Wait, these type of trannies, not these type of trannies. Just to be clear, I got this vending machine off an auction site here in Johnstown. It was $200. I had to help the guy drill the lock out before I got it, but I got this new lock. I had a lot of trouble finding the right lock. I think I did order the right one on Amazon. I think I might have just tried the wrong one. I think I got two different sizes, and I tried one and, well, whatever. The lock from Amazon probably would have worked. I called this guy from Snack Attack, and he gave me this lock, and he said it would work. He said he's been doing it a long time, so I'm gonna put it in, see how it works. All right, guys, I'm gonna see if this lock works. Hopefully it fixes her up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful. This one's a Vendo V511 so I'm gonna see if this lock cylinder and key will get it fixed up. Right now you can see there's not working, but hopefully once I put this lock cylinder in, it'll work great. Got that open. I'm not sure I needed to do that. But if you look in this hole, you can see there's a little cutout where this lock goes. Just slide it in. All right, let's see if it works. We want to find out. It's easy to strip out the inside piece, so a tip for you is to go backwards first. That'll kind of center up the nut on the inside, and then go forward to lock it up. Gosh, it works, guys. I got it fixed. Again, this is a Vendo V511. Thanks for watching, guys. Can't get in there now. I'm going to show you it works. No one's. All right, let's make sure the lock works. Boom, pop right out. I fixed something today, guys. I made a video on my truck. I put an ignition switch in it. I was gonna post it for today. But instead, I'm gonna post this video because I fixed something and it's exciting, so. Boom. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what it looks like where I drilled out the lock. I mean, I chewed it up in there pretty bad, guys, and it's still, I didn't have to replace the T-bar. Hope you guys can tell how chewed up that is. But again, this is a Vendo V511. It's got an IntelliVend. I'm gonna get the money out of it, show you that lock works. $200 vending machine. Open her up. A little tight. I want it to seal good. Take the money thing off. Look at that. Got $2 in here, guys. One of them's ripped up a little bit. I'm gonna show you it works. This bill's even ripped a little bit. See that? You gotta wait 5 or 10 seconds, 7 seconds once you shut the door for this light to come on. Once it starts flashing green, it should take your dollar bills. $1, $2. Get me a Sprite. And it gave me 50 cents back. It gave me a quarter. Pretty close. Thanks for watching, guys. That's good. Only give me a quarter, I wonder. Kind of want to try again just to make sure it works right. Plus I can check the key works again. That's how you know you got it open. I also want to show you this, guys. I was drilling, I got into the inside of the lock a little bit. Right there. You can see where the lock mechanism works right behind it. So be careful when you're drilling, guys, to not go through that T-bar all the way. So that's what it looks like when you got it installed right, guys. See that little thing sticking out? That means when I push it in, it'll lock. I got into the side of that a little bit when I was drilling, but it is what it is. You can get these online for $50 to $100. But you can see I got my cylinder replaced in this Vendo V511E. Boom. That locks in there tight. And then as soon as you unlock it, it'll pop right out. And I recommend you lock it back if you got a hole in there, because it'll pop out if you don't. So be careful. I'm gonna make sure this thing works, and this is the only $2 I got, so I'm gonna get that out and make sure it gives me 50 cents this time. Looks like that quarter just missed the chute a little bit. I'll get my $2 back out, try one more time, make sure it works. Remember, backwards first. Help line up that screw on the inside. And then look how easy it screws in. Not cross-threaded at all. And it doesn't matter which way that lock's pointed, it'll still lock. So, got it locked up tight. As long as it gives me 50 cents out, I'm good to go. Boom. There's $1. Here goes the second $1. My buddy says he's been buying Coke and let me store this here, so boom, I'm gonna get him a Coke. I heard him give me 50 cents. Boom, 50 cents. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I know I had trouble finding information on this vending machine. I'm gonna put a link to a PDF of the user manual for this. It doesn't have the part number for this lock. I'm gonna put a link where I bought the lock. It's not an affiliate link, it's just to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Normally I'm working on trannies, so don't expect all vending machine videos, but I like to help people. That's why my channel is called Doing Stuff with Dylan, not Dylan Does Trannies. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna stick a couple videos up there. Check them out. Best way to support my channel is hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting more videos about this vending machine. I'm gonna show you where I put it eventually. Thanks for watching, guys.